Welcome to yet another video of Fragrant Gem, guys, and today I'm here with something pretty unusual that you can see right now. So this is what the presentation looks like. Yes, I mean it's a leather pouch kind of thing. I won't even say a pouch, but just a covering, a casing, to make it completely raw and unnatural. So this is just tied up with a ribbon. That's it. So once you open the ribbon here, okay, I might not even need to open the ribbon. It opens up like this. So today's topic will be Hajre Aswad by Heaven Duft, and this is something that is extremely potent, that is extremely mature. They've only made 3 bottles of this, so it is pretty much exclusive. Just look at the juice color, guys, and all I need to say is that this is a pretty much potent and heavenly juice. Now by heavenly and potent, I mean this is a bit on a mature side, so people who are more into, let's say, designer stuffs or all those safe kind of perfumes may not prefer it, but then it totally depends on your taste. So this is a perfume that is distilled naturally, and it has a lot of natural elements like patchouli, ambergris, oud, civet, and all those skanky stuffs that are pretty much potent and manly. The oil concentration in this one right here is 25%. That means that it is extremely potent and something that you can get in its raw form. For those of you who are into notes, you can just check this out. These are the main notes, and these are the most prominent notes that you will get. So as they have made only 3 of these, I really don't want to waste that one, because I think that is something for lifetime. They might make it in future, but I just want to be sure that I don't waste it. So I have this one with me. It's a sample, and this is you can say a tester, a decant, and first of all, let me tell you that the price of that one is 25,000, and it is for 30 ml. I think, yeah, it is a 30 ml perfume. You'll be able to see it here. So for 30 ml, you're paying 25,000. So that means if you are someone who is looking to test it out, who's looking to try it out, you can just check their website. I'll mention the link in description. You can check their website, and you'll be able to order this. So this is a sample, a decant, you can say. They offer 5 ml samples. I think 5 or 10 ml samples, but you can just check them out. And it'll be a good thing if you test it before you buy, because most of the times we buy stuff we don't want, and then it just stays with us. So I'll just spray it, and then this is something I don't want to spray on paper strip, because it will come more sophisticated and better on skin. So I'll just try to cover it in one sentence first. This is something you're gonna love if you are more into oud and civet perfumes. So more skanky perfumes, that is the main thing here. If you're not into those perfumes, then you're not gonna love it. That's it. And this is for people who are into more mature perfumes. This is for the people who are more into perfumes like, let's say, Interlude Man or Guerlain Vetiver, or let's say Daniel Oud stuffs, Shamama stuffs, all those things. All those things are top level stuffs in perfumery. This is extremely beautiful, this is extremely refined, and the main thing that I loved about this perfume is that this is like not that scary kind of perfume. Let's say Daniel Oud Rashid by Ajmal or Daniel Oud Khalifa by Ajmal. These perfumes are a lot skanky, extremely safe to wear kind of oud. So it is like mature, but again designed in a manner where you can wear it almost everywhere. No synthetic stuffs, nothing. That is the reason it is a bit costly, and the quantity is a bit less. I won't say less, it is, I think, pretty much it, because this thing is gonna be last for lifetime. So that is the main thing here. It'll project good for 6 to 7 hours for sure. And then whenever you're making like any kind of movement, if you're sitting and then standing up, or if you're standing and sitting down, you are gonna get a lot of whiffs out of it, and even people around you will notice this, because this is the kind of perfume that will stay on your skin for more than 20 plus hours for sure. Of course, the projectivity will decrease as the time passes, but then it will still stay on your skin. Generally people prefer this kind of perfumes on clothes, but then I totally use it on my skin, so it's completely fine. So yeah, this is it for Hajre Aswad by Heavenduft. And I'll place the links in the description. Everything, you can just contact them if you're interested. And this can be a pretty sick collector's edition, because they made just a small number of batches, only 3 as of now. And in future they might make, but then you can't risk it. So if you're looking for something that is pretty exquisite, you can definitely check this one out, an Oriental Bliss. If you like this content, do subscribe and share. It really keeps me motivated. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.